Hi, I welcome you all for the first lecture on information security. So nowadays, the information or data plays a major role in all kind of applications. So we want to secure the data from the intruders. We need information security. Okay, in this lecture, we start with the basic terminologies. What are the basic things we need to know for information security? Okay. Information security requirements can be changed in recent times, traditionally provided by physical and administrative mechanisms. Computers use requires automated tools to protect the files and other stored information. Use of the networks and communication links require measures to protect data during transmission. So, some of the definitions for need to know in information security is a computer security, network security, and internet security. So, computer is an individual system or a laptop, desktop, or any kind of tools. Generic name for the collection of tools designed to protect the data and the thwart hackers. Network security measures to protect data during a transmission in a network. Internet security measures to protect data during their transmission over the collection of interconnected networks. Aim of this course is to focus on internet security, which consists of measures to detect, prevent, and correct security violations that involve the transmission and storage of informations. So, security trends from the 90s to 2001, that will present in your textbook like this 90 to 2001. Recent data is not available in the textbook because it's an old textbook, so that they having the data up to 2011, 2001. But now you can search through the net, so you can get the recent data regarding the security trends. OSI security architecture, ITU-TX800 standard security architecture of OSI. So, defines the systematic way of defining and providing a security requirements. For us, it provides a useful, if abstract overview of concepts we will study. Aspects of security. There are three aspects of security. One is security attack, security mechanism, and security services. Security attack is the action that compromises the security of information owned by the organization. Information security is about how to prevent the attacks or failing that, detect the attacks on information based systems. Then threat and attack use it to mean same thing. So threat and attack have a similar meaning, that is a synonym of a threat is an attack. Have a wide range of attacks. There are two vast categories of the attacks as passive and active attacks. First, we're going to see our passive attacks. Here, there is a conversation between the two members, Alice and Bob. Bob sent a message to Alice that will be read the contents from the message from the Bob to Alice. The dart is the threat or an attacked person. Read the messages or content from the Bob, which message is trying to send from Bob to Alice is read by the dot. Okay, through the internet or other communication facilities. That is passive attack. This is one kind. This is the kind of passive attack. See the active attack. Here, only the dot read the content from the Bob. But in case of active attack, read the message from the Bob and change the messages sent by the Bob to Alice. Then send some other message to the Alice as like Bob. Okay, capture message from Bob to Alice. Later reply message to Alice. This is active attacks. Active attacks, they change the message of the Bob. Security services. To enhance the security of data processing system and information transfer of organization intended to counter a security attacks using one or more security mechanisms, often replicates the functions normally associated with the physical documents. So security services means if there may be attack, initially we discussed two attacks. If there is maybe attack, what are the services provided regarding the security services have different options. It will may prevent the attack. If the attack happened, it will recover, make us give a service to recover from the attack. Likewise, So here we have different type of security services, X.800. This service provided by the protocol layer communicating open systems, which ensures adequate security of systems or data transfers. It will provide a data transfer mechanism. It will provide a services. RFC 2828 plus a processing or communication service provided by a system to give specific kind of production to system resources. This is for data transfer. This is for system resources. Then other security services provided by this X.800 is authentication, access control, data confidentiality, data integrity, and non-repetition. Authentication assurance that the communicating entity is one client. Authenticating whether the data is received from the uh, right person or not. That is an authentication. Access control, prevention of the unauthorized use of resources. If I'm a unauthorized user, I can't access the authorized data, authorized resources. That is access control. Data confidentiality, production of data from unauthorized disclosure. One is those who are present in the particular circle can able to provide the data access. Integrity, you can't delete, you can't change the data. The data received is the sent by the authorized entity only, that is data integrity, non-repetition, production against denial by the one of the parties in the communication. Security mechanism, this is the third one, feature designed to detect, prevent, and recover from the security attack. Okay. No single mechanism that will support all services, because each one we need different kind of services. For detecting we have different services, prevent we have different services, and recover we have different services. However, one particular element underlies many of the security mechanisms in cryptographic techniques. Hence, we're going to focus upon the topic about cryptographic techniques. Security mechanism 8.800 specific security mechanisms is encipherment, digital signatures, access control, data integrity, authentication, exchange, traffic padding, routing, control, and notarization. Pervasive security mechanism, trusted functionality, security labels, event detection, security audit trials, security recovery. So this is a model of network security. Here, a sender and recipient is there. Here, sender want to send a message to the recipient through this channel called information channel. Here, in sender side, they have some key security related transformation. Secret information is padded and sent to the source message. There will be transferred a source message that will be sent through the information channel. The trusted third party arbiter monitor this, and here again the key information is shared with the recipient, that will be decrypted here and sent to the recipient side. Here the trusted third party will share the information to the sender and the recipient. So model of network security, using this model requires to design suitable algorithm for security transformation, generate a secret information used by the algorithm, develop method to distribute and share the secret information, and specify protocol enabling principle to use the transformation and secret information for the security services. So here security transformation, here they using this have separate algorithm and generate a secret information that is a key, and develop methods to distribute secret information. So the develop methods is developed by the third party. So this is information system have a computing resources, data, process, software, and internal security controls, the access control, then gatekeeper and functions, opponent as a human or a cracker, or software or virus forms. Okay. Model for network security. Using this model requires us to select appropriate gatekeeper functions to identify the users, implement the security controls to ensure the only authorized access. So that's all about the today's session. The next section we're going to discuss about the what are the different kind of encipherments available, and what are the transposition and transposition technique and substitution technique we're going to discuss in the next lecture. Thank you for listening. Hence, I'm conclude my lecture about the today's section. Thank you.